Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Welcome, fellow food lovers, to the wonderful world of Fettuccine Chicken Alfredo. This classic dish, known for its rich, creamy sauce and tender chicken, truly warms the soul. You might think it's complicated, but I promise, it's incredibly achievable right in your own kitchen, perfect for a cozy night in. Let's dive in and transform some simple ingredients into a truly delightful meal that everyone will love. To start our culinary adventure, let's gather our essential ingredients. Pick up some boneless, skinless chicken breasts, ready to be sliced and seared. Of course, you'll need that signature fettuccine pasta, along with heavy cream, fresh garlic, and plenty of good quality Parmesan cheese. A stick of butter, a pinch of salt and pepper, and a little fresh parsley for garnish will round things out perfectly. First, let's get our chicken cooking. Slice boneless chicken breasts, season them well, then sauté in a hot pan until golden brown and fully cooked. Set that aside. Next, bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil and cook your fettuccine until it's perfectly al dente. This is key. Remember to scoop out about a cup of that starchy pasta water before draining your noodles. Now for the star of the show, the Alfredo sauce. In the same pan, melt butter over medium heat, then add the minced garlic and sauté until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. Slowly whisk in your heavy cream, letting it gently simmer for a few minutes until it begins to slightly thicken. Remove the pan from the heat, then stir in your freshly grated Parmesan cheese until it melts into a beautifully smooth, luxurious sauce. Now, let's bring everything together. Add your cooked fettuccine and the tender chicken directly into that glorious Alfredo sauce. Toss gently, ensuring every strand and piece is beautifully coated. If the sauce seems too thick, just add a splash or two of that reserved pasta water until it reaches your desired, silky consistency. Serve immediately, perhaps with extra Parmesan and a sprinkle of fresh parsley for an absolutely delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.